Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound and vibration section, and then go to the ringtone. Then tap allow, and here you can select your ringtones. You can select one of the phone pre-installed ringtones, you can select from files and set your own melody song as a ringtone here, but you will have to firstly download file from the internet and then select it from your storage. As you can see, I didn't have any file, so I'll just select one of the pre-installed ones. I guess I will just select maybe this one, I don't know. And that's how it's done. So, thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.